Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing intentionally. Verify the exact Pixel 6 Pro replacement screen and gather a T5 driver, spudger, suction cup, and adhesive. Once done, back up your data and charge the phone above 50%, then remove the SIM tray and power off. Heat the rear glass evenly to soften adhesive. This makes lifting the back safe and reduces cracking. Carefully pry with a suction cup and thin picks to expose the internal T5 screws. Don't rush this step, because access dictates everything that follows. Once the midframe is open, remove the T5 screws and lift the bracket, keeping parts organized so you know where each screw goes. Disconnect the battery immediately to prevent shorting. You'll thank yourself if something slips. Then use a plastic spudger to disconnect the display and sensor flex cables. Pry gently to avoid tearing ribbon connectors. Remove shield plates and carefully unseat cameras or speaker modules you must transfer. Take clear photos as you go so reassembly is straightforward and accurate. Clean the frame of old adhesive and apply new adhesive strips or liquid adhesive, then align the replacement screen carefully and press evenly to bond. Reconnect the battery briefly and power on to test touch responsiveness, display brightness, cameras, and sensors. Verifying function now avoids reopening. Once confirmed, fully reassemble in reverse order, torquing screws snug but not over tight. If you encounter boot issues or a dead touch layer, power off. Receipt display and battery connectors, and check for debris under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.